See how I woke up very cutesy, very demure, very mindful. I get to choose to sleep in any office I like. I decided I'm going to sleep in Shania's office because it's the comfiest. See, very mindful of her figurines. I don't touch. At least, try not to. Anyway, it's time to get up and get to work. If you ever want your picture taken with me, I'm located in the interdisciplinary studies office. First thing on the agenda, meet with my supervisor.
Listen, I really need to see better product out of you. This is not gonna fly.
Just make sure we cut that clip out. Okay, I don't want to be in my JLo era. Today's the big week of welcome event, so I had my breakfast. Most people don't know this, but pinatas get their daily nutrients from candy. Barry Demir only had 3 pizzas. First stop, the runway. Campus. Gotta give these students something to talk about, right? Take a picture of me, please. They don't know it yet, but I am a star.
Please, I'm a star!
They changed Smoothie King to Tico. So look at this thing. And I made sure to put down flyers for our event, August 22nd, 12 p.m. to 2 p.m. Be there, be squares. That was so fetch.
Trying to make fetch happen. It's not going to happen.
I got my assistant Shania to take me back, 'cause, you know, your girl's tired.